Meet the world's first certified electric flying car approved by U.S. government. Alef's Model A is the first vehicle of its kind to receive a Special Airworthiness Certification from the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration. In a first, the United States government has given the official nod for a car to fly above traffic. You see that right. Alef Aeronautics announced that its fully electric car has received a Special Airworthiness Certification from the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration to fly. Certification allows Alef to start testing the Model A before making it available to the public. Model A is the first of its kind to receive the legal clearance to take off from the road to the sky based in San Mateo, California. The flying car costs around $3 million. For more informative videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Zigzag News. We make it special.